Hey traders, welcome back. Before we dive in, let's talk psychology. The edge that separates elite traders from the rest. Most traders lose not because they don't have setups, but because they don't have patience. The market rewards those who wait, who stick to the plan, who manage risk with military discipline and trust in their system. That's why Adam's approach works. It's structured, it's proven, and it's repeatable. Now let's break down this past week in the S&P 500, as detailed in Adam's newsletter. Last week, ES closed in the most bullish configuration imaginable, at the high of day, at the high of week, at all-time highs. While some traders were caught off guard, those following Adam's simple technicals, not remotely surprised. Why? Because this move was telegraphed in advance and was the textbook result of a breakout from an ascending triangle. Adam had been highlighting this pattern for 2 weeks. On Thursday, July 18th, ES broke above that 2-week triangle pattern with resistance at 63.33. And what typically happens when a pattern like this breaks out? First, a backtest. Then, a rally, often for a week or two. But structure alone isn't enough. Patterns don't give entries. For that, you need a setup. And Adam's go-to? The failed breakdown. This is how institutions accumulate. They flush the lows, trap shorts, then send price ripping higher. When you combine failed breakdowns with macro patterns like triangles, that's where the magic happens. Let's walk through what happened. On Monday, July 22nd, when ES was in the 63.40s, Adam wrote that bulls needed to defend 63.33 or allow a quick trap down to 63.19. What did we see the very next day? ES flushed to exactly 63.19 and then went parabolic. Then came the upside targets. On Tuesday, Adam said bulls could target 63.60, 63.66, and 63.71 to 74. ES delivered, and by Thursday, tagged 64.16, the exact high of day. On Friday, Adam projected that bulls wanted a base between 63.88 and 64.15. If cleared, the next levels, 64.24, 64.32, what did we get? High of day Friday, 64.32, nailed. This squeeze didn't stop. ES gapped up to the high 64.50s on Sunday night. Then today, we finally got a pullback. As Adam wrote on Friday, after a move like this, the market needs time to digest. And that's exactly what we got: consolidation, rest, and structure building. Every day, Adam identifies 1 to 2 high-quality failed breakdowns. In advance, he teaches the setup, shows how to recognize them, and recaps every single one. This is how traders grow. You learn the setup. You see it happen in real time. And eventually, you spot it yourself, with confidence. That's the power of the ES game plan and our Discord community. You get daily actionable trade plans, real-time updates, support from serious traders who are all trying to level up. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, it's built to help you trade better and smarter. So if you're tired of chasing alerts and want to understand the market instead, join us inside the ES game plan. Plug into our Discord. Get the trade plans, the setups, the psychology, everything you need to level up. We'll see you inside. Let's keep executing. Let's keep growing.